So I decided to try a short video, less than 3 minutes on my laptop, from my laptop. So far, it didn't work. I don't know if putting hashtag short in a video that you upload instead of doing it straight from the shorts button on your phone, which won't allow you to go more than 3 minutes. It stops you when you get there. So that was my test today. I was trying to see if I could do it. I'm going to wait because I asked somebody and they said upload it anyway from your laptop and then YouTube will recognize it if you put short hashtag in the title description. So we'll see. But as of now, it just went to the straight video. It was 2 minutes and 40 seconds and it went to the video section. It didn't go to my short section on Shard Time, okay? But that's all right. Let me say something real quick because actually it doesn't have to be real quick. It's just going to be a video, obviously. If YouTube doesn't recognize my video shorts under 3 minutes in the right category, I might as well just do a regular little video and it'll be short, but it won't be a short. Feel me? Anyway, there's a topic I wanted to talk about real quick. It says sitting on top of the world. That's the title, okay? Sitting on top of the world. That's a song. But anyway, sitting on top of the world, I wrote down, this is what I wrote down. It's a little quote, not a quote, but a little spiel, if you will. I know how I made other people feel. I was the common denominator in other people's lives. Now I'm pouring all that love back into me. Let's see where that goes. See where that goes. So far, it's going rather well. I'm putting myself on the pedestal that I used to put so many other people on for decades. About 40 years in the wilderness, shall I say. I might as well. It's the truth. So when I say sitting on top of the world is the title of this video, excuse me, it's true. I'm sitting on top of the world now that I'm not saying, hey, it's lonely at the top. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't have the people that I had in my life before. And if I do have them still, and we still hanging on to each other, it's because they cool with me. They really love me. They're not trying to fake it till they make it. They're not trying to change me back to who I was. They're embracing and loving the new me like I am. They see that I love myself. And I say they. You know how they changed in the LGBTQ, what's the P? LGBTQ whatever community. And now everybody has to identify themselves as she, her, him, whatever. I was going to say him, her. Oh boy. They, that's what I'm getting to. They, them, their. It's theirs. It's one person, but you have to call them they because they don't identify as gay. Ooh, that rhymed. I had to say that part. No, you have to call them that one person is not a girl or a boy or a man or a woman or a she or a him. They're a they. Now, I agree with that because you could have not multiple personalities, but you could actually, everybody has dark and light side. So you can call me they. I don't identify as they, but it's a few of us in here. You feel me? So call me what you want to, whatever. My identify as she is and her. Okay, let's get that straight real quick. The reason I said that is because I put so many other people on what to say. Let's see where that goes. I'm putting myself on the pedestal now that I put so many other people on the pedestal for decades. I'm not exactly sure where I was going with the they portion of it. So I'm just going to leave that alone. But obviously, it was meant to be said the way I said it. Even though I went over 3 minutes, it will definitely not be classified as a short. And I'm okay with that. But it's short enough to have somebody's attention span out of the 2,200 subscribers that I have. And you know what I found out, been knowing for a little while, is that the subscribers that I have, hardly ever any of them tune in. It's always the shorts, mainly the shorts, some of the videos that attract people on the outside that end up subscribing and staying around and tuning in. But that's neither here nor there. And don't ask me why I said it. I am excited about life today. Today was a beautiful, good day where I live at, and yesterday was too. Oh man, you guys, leave a comment if you got something to say. That's all I got to say. I'll see you back here. All right, y'all, baby.